They are selling Amsterdam Titanium White on Amazon for $30 a tube. I saw that and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. So this is Primary Elements Autumn Leaf. Isn't that freaking pretty? Yeah. Gonna come right down the center, but thin, okay? Because I have an idea. Just gonna kind of squiggle in and out. Let's hope it lasts. Oh, come on. Just give it to me. Please. Okay. The darker brown. Squiggling. Okay. Now I want the red. This is Jasper Red. That was Nutmeg too from Primary Elements. That's the Jasper Red. Is CraftNique's Bronze, which I just absolutely love. If you have any questions about ratios and everything, it's in the like 3 videos ago. How I mix the primary elements, but basically it's 1 part of the CraftNique gel stain to 1 part of the pigments, and then I add 2 parts of the untinted base. And if it's a light color, well, some of the colors I'll add like a little pin drop of acrylic paint. This is champagne from CraftNique mixed with interference violet from Primary Elements. It's so freaking pretty. So let me stop talking and just get to it, right? Now this guy, I really want weaved in and out of everything because I want that glimmer. Glimmer? That bling. It's almost like a really light rose gold pearl kind of color. And then this is just Artist Loft Black. I mix some of that right here. I promised myself I would use up all my colors this time. Here's our cell activator. Let me smack it down there. Just a ribbon. Come back. My blow dryer, which I have nicknamed Lucy, because this thing is always loose. So we're gonna call her Lucy. That. You know what? Hold on. Let's go down the center. Like that. Okay? Now let's do it. Don't care. Keep going. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Give it to me. After last night's flop, I need something special in my life. Okay, let's see what we got. As I said before, let's let that chill. That is pretty cool. I see like a gold glimmer. You want a close-up? Because that is freaking cool. It matches my shirt, see? Anyway, sorry. Whoa. God, if I could just leave it like that, that would be just so beautiful. Let me fix you guys and we'll stretch. Oh, that is so yummy looking. Nope. They don't want to stretch. Oh, look at that down there, you guys, by my thumb. Oh my God. See if I can prop up the canvas a little bit and just make it flow. Because I am all about some negative space today. So we're just going to go slow and... Wait a minute. I need more paint over here. Now let's try stretching. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I just need a little. There we go. I need somewhere to rest my arm. My neck is killing me. Having that neck surgery really sucked, you guys. Really wish I didn't do it, but I'm trying. Now we're coming back. Okay. So, I might be able to play a little with a straw. Because I just don't want to do anymore. Because I'm starting to get measles, which are not okay. I mean, it is what it is, but I'm not trying to stretch anymore. Does look pretty cool, though. Here is the finished piece. I'm going to try to go slow and show you all the metallic and interference. Isn't that crazy looking? I just love that right there. This has resin on it now too. Off camera, I did add more to the corners. I felt that it needed it. I had checked with a couple art buddies and they were like, take it to the edge. So that's what I did. But it's just so pretty. That interference just makes me nuts. So there you have it. Well, it was just a quick video, guys. I hope you liked it, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.